Hi, this is Home Guide. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of digital art with a focus on finding the best drawing tablet for Mac users. Let's explore the top options to elevate your creative workflow on Apple's platform. Number 1. Wacom Drawing Tablet. This sleek masterpiece effortlessly bridges the gap between imagination and creation. The pressure-sensitive stylus dances on the surface, mimicking the feel of traditional drawing tools. Its precision is mind-blowing, capturing every nuance of your artistic strokes. The seamless connection between hand and screen provides an immersive experience, turning your canvas into a playground. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a budding creator, the Wacom tablet transforms your digital space into an art haven. Elevate your artistry, one stroke at a time. Number 2. XPPen Tablet, a game changer for artists. This sleek masterpiece transforms your digital canvas into a realm of endless possibilities. The pen sensitivity is so precise, it's like your ideas are flowing directly from your mind to the screen. The customizable shortcut keys add a touch of personalization, ensuring your workflow is as unique as your art. Plus, the responsive surface feels like a seamless extension of your imagination. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a budding creator, the XPPen Tablet is your gateway to a world where every stroke tells a story. Elevate your artistry, embrace the XPPen experience. Number 3. HUN Tablet, a digital canvas that elevates your drawing experience to new heights. Immerse yourself in its responsive and precise stylus, effortlessly translating every stroke onto the screen with unparalleled accuracy. The sleek design complements the seamless workflow, while customizable shortcuts empower your creativity. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting, HUN's tablet is a masterpiece in itself, delivering an immersive and fluid drawing journey. Elevate your artistry, embrace precision, and let your creativity flow effortlessly with HUN, a must-have for any digital artist. Number 4. HUN Drawing Tablet. This sleek gadget is a game changer for artists, boasting a responsive surface that effortlessly translates your creativity into digital masterpieces. With customizable hotkeys and a user-friendly design, it's a breeze to navigate your artistic journey. The pressure-sensitive stylus delivers precision like never before, making every stroke a work of art. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, the HUN tablet elevates your drawing experience, turning your imagination into reality with a touch of technological magic. Dive into a world where your art comes alive at your fingertips. Number 5. HUN Tablet, every stroke feels like a masterpiece in the making. Its sleek design and responsive surface make it a dream for digital artists. The pressure sensitivity is a game changer, capturing the nuances of your creativity with precision. The customizable shortcut keys? A total game changer. Forget limitations, embrace fluidity in your artistic journey. The HUN Tablet isn't just a tool, it's your collaborator in crafting visual symphonies. Elevate your artistry, because every stroke matters, and so does the canvas beneath your fingertips. In conclusion, finding the best drawing tablet for Mac depends on individual preferences, needs, and budget. Whether it's the versatility of the iPad Pro, the precision of the Wacom Intuos Pro, or the affordability of the HUN Inspiroi, each option offers unique benefits. We hope this guide has helped you narrow down your choices. Thanks for watching.